Well, advocates for religious faith won a major federal court victory against New York Governor Andrew Cuomo and New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio. Here's One America's Richard Pollock with more.
A U.S. District Judge has ruled New York Governor Andrew Cuomo and New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio exercised a double standard when they condoned mass protests but strictly limited worship services. U.S. District Judge Gary Sharp on June 26 issued a preliminary injunction against New York officials about their anti-religious policy. The case was won by 2 Catholic priests and 3 Orthodox Jewish congregants. We spoke with Special Counsel Christopher Ferrara, who brought the suit on behalf of the Thomas More Society. Ferrara explained Cuomo and de Blasio's double standards.
The judge, in his opinion, recognizes that you can't have thousands of people thronging the Brooklyn Bridge, the Manhattan Bridge, packing into Cadman Plaza where they were addressed by a maskless Mayor de Blasio. And not only did they allow it to happen, and this was of decisive importance, they applauded it, they encouraged it, they praised it.
Ferrara explains how their policy hurt Jews.
So if you set the limit indoors for religious worship in an Orthodox community at 10, that's basically it. You can't have a congregation. You can't have a bar mitzvah. You can't even have the baby at his own circumcision. You can't have the bride-to-be at her wedding. So effectively, the 10-person limit eliminated congregational Jewish worship.
And how they hurt Christian churches.
And in upstate New York, where the priests are, these gatherings limitations, 25% indoor occupancy, make it impossible to celebrate Mass for the entire congregation. You have to break up the Mass into multiple sessions and have multiple Masses during the day. And the law of the church says a priest should not be celebrating more than 2 Masses in a day. Well, to accommodate these limitations, they would have to celebrate 3, 4, 5, even 6 Masses.
So far, there's been no comment from either Governor Cuomo or Mayor de Blasio. For One America News, this is Richard Pollock from Washington.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.